a lovely bird in the garden. Now children, look at the pictures, read aloud and present the conversation. In the first picture, you can see a bird under the mango tree. Then the bird flew and perched on that branch. After that, the bird hid behind that bush. Next, the bird flew a little higher and perched in the coconut tree. After that, the bird settled near the stones. And next, the bird perched itself in front of that plant. So in the conversation, you have Meena Kaki and Madhu Kaka are the ones conversing. Meena Kaki has seen the bird and she's telling Madhu Kaka to see it as well. Meena Kaki is trying to point the bird out to Madhu Kaka. But as she tries to point the bird out, the bird flies somewhere else. So Meena Kaki said, "There is a lovely bird in the garden. Can you see it?" Madhu Kaka replied, "No. Where is it?" Meena Kaki said, "There, under the mango tree." And by the time Madhu Kaka tried to look under the mango tree, the bird had flown. Meena Kaki said, "There it is now, on that branch." By the time Madhu Kaka tried to look for the bird on the branch, it flew again. Meena Kaki said, "Look there now, it is behind the bush. It is hiding behind that bush. Can you see it?" Madhu Kaka said, "No, where is it?" Again Madhu Kaka tried to look at the bird hiding behind the bush, but he could not see it. And by that time, the bird had flown in the coconut tree. So Meena Kaki said, "There it is, in the coconut tree now. Can you see it?" And Madhu Kaka said, "No, where is it?" By the time he looked at the coconut tree, the bird had flown away again. And this time, Meena Kaki said, "See the bird now, it is near the stones." But by the time Madhu Kaka looked at the stones, the bird had flown away again. Meena Kaki then said, "Now you cannot miss the bird. It is right there in front of that plant." And Madhu Kaka looked and said, "Oh yes, I can see it now. What a lovely bird."